In this video, we're going to talk about space types. So in the walls video, I explained that when you enclose an area in walls, you're going to get a space. So if we select this space using the select tool, you'll see that by default it's a room because all spaces by default are rooms. However, we can change it. So if we click into this menu, you'll see we can change it to a hallway or open to below. Open to below is essentially a large hole in the floor. Something like an atrium would be open to below. So the best way to do this is essentially to map your whole floor first, because then it gets easier to apply space types. So for example, if we hover over this large section here, this is very clearly a hallway. And to make our map easier to understand in 3D, we should change it to one because it'll look different. So we basically select this large area and we click into the drop-down menu and select hallway. When we click off, you'll see that it changed to this shade of beige, and that helps us differentiate the hallway between the other rooms. And lastly, we're going to change this large section to open to below. We can see on the base map that that is what it's marked as. So we just select that, go into the drop-down menu, select open to below, and then we click off, you'll see that it's changed this dark gray color, and that lets us know that it took effect. So that when we preview our map in 3D, you'll see that these spaces actually look different and they help make your building easier to understand for your visitors.